Hey y'all, so long time no see. This video is going up after Father's Day, so it's fine. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got my dad for Father's Day. This hat, it's a snapback and it just has like the Rams, but it's like gray with blue. We got him like an all black one, like the hat was black and this was like all black, but it didn't fit him with his big head. So we had to get him a different one. But that's not what this video is about. Today's video is gonna be like a getting my life together type video because that's what we need to do. So that's what this video is. Hey! Okay, y'all, we're gonna order the new Starbucks.
How can I help you?
Hi, could I get a tall pineapple passion fruit refresher and then a grande paradise drink? Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see me, but anyways, Dr. put the camera down there. Y'all can talk to her. Bro, I told you to get the lemonade one. Y'all, so don't get the one that Tati got. She got the one without lemonade.
It tastes like acid.
This one is so good. This one tastes like
Pina
colada. Yeah, I get it again. The paradise.
But like you choose like the pink drink over that.
Thumbnail. Tati, okay, this one is good. Now let's try the damn cake pop. Come on. She looks like this. Let's try. This, I'll rate it a like
8.5.
9 out of 10 too. What do you rate that one?
Like, no.
Girl. Okay.
I rated like.
Okay, what do you rate it?
Tastes like acid, so like I'm gonna give it. I think it'll be better with lemonade. So if you get it with lemonade, I'd probably rate it more, but
The one with just water sucks. Anyways, see y'all
0.
tomorrow.
a fucking 0.
0.
Bro,
Yeah, it actually is. Good morning, y'all. It's like 5 a.m. right now. Well, 5:30. Okay, guys, so it's like 5:40 already. I already went to the bathroom and like washed my face and stuff. And the main reason I woke up at 5, I don't know. But on the weather app, it said it was supposed to rain today. And I was like, girl, where? Because it's not even raining right now. They really lied. They lied. Like, girl, what? And the high is supposed to be like 93. And that's crazy. So I think I'm gonna go out to the living room and like read for a little bit. And then I'm gonna drink a Celsius because I'm gonna go to the gym at like 8 o'clock. So yeah. And then when we come back, I'll make a coffee. See y'all in the living room.
It's not that I don't want you here.
I'm gonna make like a snack, but I don't know what. Y'all, I was about to let this rat out. But it's raining, so it's gonna have to wait. Okay, y'all, so I'm outside right now and I'm gonna make sure like the gate is closed because this rat, he loves to escape. Y'all see that? It's 7:34 right now. In the morning, I already changed. We're gonna go to the gym right now. Good morning, guys. I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 9:37 right now, and I need to clean my room. So I'm gonna give y'all like an overview. That's like the door, and then right there I just have like all my water bottles and like books and stuff. And then I need to wash my sheets and like make the bed, but like after I wash them. That's clothes that I need to fold. This is like clothes that's dirty, and this is like pretty clean. I just need to like put some stuff away. My desk, I need to like clean it off and stuff. Over here I want to like reorganize this, like the shelves. This is like the big mess. I have like a bunch of Squishmallows, and like I have all my white shoes here. So that is the overview.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you, but you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. It's not that I don't want you